The 2016 Huawei Mate 9 was targeted at business types who wanted a smartphone for productivity. We liked it, but the Mate 9 was undeniably unattractive. It apparently led Huawei to change its approach for phone's successor, the Mate 10 Pro, because it exudes everything we want from a faithful smartphone companion. In our Huawei Mate 10 Pro review, we find out if the new phone can live up to its highly polished looks. The Mate 10 Pro is very pretty. Huawei has minimized the edges around the screen considerably, with thin slivers running down both sides of the 6-inch screen, much like the LG V30 and the Samsung Galaxy S8. The 18:9 screen dominates about 80% of the phone's front panel, which means it's not as bezel-free as the iPhone X or the Xiaomi Mi Mix. Supercar levels of attractiveness await when you flip the phone over. It's like the Mate 10 Pro has been cut from the body of a futuristic concept vehicle. Heat-treated glass for extra toughness curves at each side and covers the metal body, and a subtle but distinctive stripe surrounds the camera lenses. It's smooth, cool to the touch, and catches the light in a beautifully eye-catching way. We love the blue model, but couldn't resist our titanium review unit. It also comes in an equally delicious mocha brown. The color lineup for the Mate 10 Pro makes it hard to pick the best one, they're all so tempting. It's not too slippery in the hand, but the curved body does tend to slide about on flat surfaces when placed face up. A clear silicone case comes in the box, and we recommend using it or another case, not just for drop protection but also to avoid scratches on the glass body. Everyday usability is enhanced by little things like the textured power button, which makes it easy for your finger to find without looking, and the excellent placement of the fingerprint sensor. This may depend on the size of your hand, but for us, it was perfect. Huawei's fingerprint sensor is also one of the best in the business. It's ridiculously fast, and accuracy is second to none, only being foiled by wet fingers. The slight camera lens bump assists with finding the sensor too, as you feel the very edge if your finger is slightly too far up the body. Huawei has added IP67 water resistance to the Mate 10 Pro. It's a welcome addition that offers a little peace of mind. If there is a problem, it's that Huawei added water resistance by dropping the 3.5mm headphone socket for the Mate 10 Pro. A dongle is included in the box, ready to plug into the USB Type-C charging port. Not ideal. What's worse is Huawei uses Bluetooth 4.2 over the newer Bluetooth 5 standard, which offers improved range and data transfer speeds. It's a baffling decision, and if Samsung can have a better water resistance rating as well as headphone jack, so should Huawei.